REDARC has guiding principles that enable it to stay at the top of its game. Innovation, customer support, quality, and of course adventure. Let's go and take a look inside and find out what it's all about. When I hear the name REDARC, the word innovation springs immediately to mind. In fact, innovation is the lifeblood of REDARC, with 15% of the company's annual sales revenue invested in R&D. The R&D team are co-located next to manufacturing and operations and the technical support team, so the design process is fully integrated with the needs of the manufacturing facility. REDARC is constantly forecasting new technologies needed in the future to ensure it keeps at the forefront of product design and production. And it maintains this by ensuring it has the best and highest spec equipment available. REDARC uses lean manufacturing tools to analyse the assembly process and look for opportunities for improvement. One way the company is looking to improve efficiency is with its investment in universal collaborative robots, or cobots as they're known, to perform repetitive movements around the clock. There's no doubt about it, REDARC is an agile and innovative problem solver, and its products continue to set industry benchmarks and even define new categories. REDARC ensures it has a deep customer understanding and a pipeline of ideas that it turns into a stream of new product development. The brand strives to be the first to market with new innovation. But for REDARC to maintain this competitive advantage, it continually invests in product development systems, skills and technology that help reduce time to market. This strategic market-led approach places REDARC in a strong position to create new and more sophisticated solutions for its customers that deliver value and subsequently develop new markets. REDARC's products are designed and tested to withstand the harshest conditions, not just in Australia, but worldwide, so its customers can have peace of mind that their gear won't let them down. In fact, REDARC is committed to achieving 100% customer satisfaction, with a fundamental rule that the customer is king. And forget about getting connected to a call centre somewhere on the other side of the world. If a customer needs to call for after-sales support, they will speak to a qualified auto electrician or electronic technician right here in Adelaide. REDARC's full technical support team are trained professionals with a working knowledge of all REDARC products. The team provide telephone, email, web and social media support free of charge for any product-related question that customers may have here in Australia and across the world. Now that is customer service. Looking after the environment is also of key importance to REDARC. In 2018, the company finalised a power infrastructure project which has seen the installation of a 100 kilowatt PV solar power system on the roof of its Lonsdale facility. There are a massive 370 solar panels which can generate 140 megawatt hours of energy per year. So REDARC will be able to offset CO2 carbon emissions by 80 tonnes per year. This facility also has a 135 kilowatt hour Tesla battery system and sophisticated control software to manage and store unused solar production. Yet while technology and testing are important, the most important asset of REDARC's quality philosophy are its people. To be a world competitive business, a team of highly skilled employees is pivotal in REDARC's goal to strive for excellence.